The cost of purchasing a home is high, and making the mortgage payments without going bankrupt might be difficult. It takes careful planning and budgeting to buy a house without jeopardizing your financial stability. Here are some suggestions to assist you in purchasing a home without declaring bankruptcy. Number 1. Set the upper limit of your spending limit. Before you start shopping, you must determine how much you can spend on a property. Keep in mind your monthly spending, earnings, and other debt obligations. You should make an effort to keep your housing expenses under 28% of your gross monthly income, experts advise. Number 2. Save some cash away for a deposit. Saving money for a down payment is necessary to buy a house without going bankrupt. When you put more money down and pay less each month for your mortgage, you are less likely to get into financial trouble. According to experts, the down payment for a home should be at least 20% of the purchase price. Number 3. Get the best mortgage rates by shopping around and searching online. Is looking around for the best mortgage rates, you can ultimately save a ton of money over time. Make an effort to locate lenders with more affordable interest and fee schedules. Considering that, you should also consider whether a fixed-rate mortgage or an adjustable-rate mortgage would be the best option for you. Number 4. Consider the additional expenses that come with owning. While acquiring a property, there are additional costs outside the mortgage payment. There are several hidden costs associated with homeownership, such as property taxes, homeowner's insurance, maintenance, and repairs. Make sure to account for these costs in your budget to avoid going bankrupt. Number 5. Avoid overspending on your home. Although it may be alluring, buying the most costly home you can afford can result in financial difficulties. Don't go overboard with your home spending by sticking to your budget. Number 6. Talk about price reductions. Be prepared to barter the price of the house. You might be able to save money by looking for a house that requires some upkeep that you can manage yourself, or by negotiating with the seller. Number 7. Make sure your mortgage is approved. Being pre-approved for a mortgage will ensure that you are only examining properties that you can realistically afford, which will help you avoid overspending. To purchase a property without going bankrupt, careful planning, research, and budgeting are necessary. By taking these recommendations into consideration, you can avoid financial problems and benefit from homeownership.